Hey guys, today we're going to go out to the BL70 and we are going to sandblast the wheels on that and get a top coat of primer on that. So let's just get straight to it and run out there and see how it goes. Alright guys, you can see I just did that for a few minutes. That thing just went to work on that guy. The dead man switch wasn't working, it was just stuck on, which is unfortunate and makes it a little reckless, but it was running, so I just went with it. Alright, so I just moved the machine forward and we're going to take another shot at it. And then here's the big guy in the back. He's looking pretty clean. All right, well, this is a drastic improvement on this front rim. I think some of this is actually just sand. It's not even rust or whatever. So, all right, so here's where we're at right now. So this is as sandblast as we're gonna do it. And then I just usually, this is some rusty metal primer. So we're just gonna put this on right now because we don't want to leave this sitting without any paint on it. And then we'll come back later and we'll spray it the matching color in the machine. I just need to mix this up real quick. I had a can that was open. I had already mixed it, but I misplaced it, so we'll just open a new can. I don't know. I might have to think about whether I'm going to paint them white or not. I'm kind of liking the way that looks. I don't know. I'll have to sleep on it and See how I feel about it tomorrow. All right, guys. Well, I think that was really successful compared to how those wheels looked before. I mean, those things were like crazy rusty, and they're, you know, that stuff really bit right into them and cleaned those things up. So I'm pretty psyched about that. And I actually got 2 coats of primer on that, and I was initially going to match up the wheels and paint them the factory yellow to have everything match, but now I'm leaning towards just putting a gloss black on the wheels. I think it'll just look cool, and if it doesn't, we can just put the yellow on later. But after I get that on there, I'll show you guys how it looks. But I'm pretty excited about how it looks just like it sits now. So thanks for guys watching, and I'll catch you later.